to my channel, welcome to my video. Video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my hair. Baby, get into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I did my makeup, and I have a little treat for my sister at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And yeah, let's get into this bomb look. Hey crew, so voiceover key is on his thing. What up, what it do, how y'all doing? I'm doing great. So getting into the hair portion of this get ready with me, I am doing an extended ponytail with a frontal wig. I actually have a video on my channel called Watch Me Slay a Frontal Wig. I'll pop the thumbnail on the screen right now so you guys can, you know, find it very easy. It's on my channel, literally just posted it maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago. But anyways, if you guys want to, you know, actually achieve this style and, you know, be walked through it, definitely check that video out. I'm gonna shut up and let y'all just, you know, kind of watch what's going on, and then I'll pop back in for the makeup portion. What do you gotta be taking? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. What do you gotta be taking? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. What do you gotta be taking? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different, because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when she calls you up, it's all you look at life. Wish that there was us, and I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more, even then before I do anything. Once again, if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle step by step, slow down, check out my video on my channel. So now I'm just adding my little curls in, adding my little pins, you know. I was trying to make it feel like I was actually there, you feel me, like the whole 9 yards, okay? So yeah, just throwing my little curls in there, and then we're gonna get into the makeup. Now for the makeup, I went with a really subtle, soft look, because you know this is a wedding, so we don't need no crazy eyeshadow looks going on. Now the bride actually did pick out this makeup look, so I'll pop on the screen a picture of the look I was going for. I pretty much just did my normal makeup foundation routine and just, you know, kept it pushing. And just a tip for you guys, if you are brides to be, or if you're, you know, a maid of honor, if you're part of the bridal party, do not try new products the day of the wedding, because you will be highly upset if your makeup just like looks a mess throughout the day. So definitely use products that you know are your holy grail, and make sure you talk to your makeup artist, let them know what your skin type is, because we need y'all looking good on y'all wedding days. Okay, so I went with my trusty products that, you know, I knew could get me through, you know, a hot day of taking pictures, of, you know, standing, and, you know, I went with my good products. So yes, that's just my little tip for y'all. If you guys want to see my makeup routine and like the actual eyeshadow look that I did for the wedding day, like if you guys want to see a step-by-step video, definitely let me know, and I will create that tutorial for you guys, because this makeup was honestly so freaking pretty. Like I felt so freaking beautiful this day, and I feel like this was like honestly one of the best freaking eyeshadow looks and makeup looks, you know, I've done as far as the glam, because you know, y'all know I love to be a little bit extra. So you know, this is not an extra look, this was definitely a soft glam look, but it turned out so beautiful, and I am happy with the outcome. And it looked amazing with this hairstyle. And believe it or not, you guys, this was like my first time ever having like an extended ponytail. I'm usually like a, you know, a wig wearer, where I am, you know, having my hair down and curled, or I either have box
box braids. What's box braid? Or I either have box braids. So to see myself with this ponytail, I was like, oh, this is a new chick. Like, I see why y'all girls be doing these ponytails, but could I do it again? I don't think so, because it was like, it was low-key kind of heavy. I don't know how y'all be doing these extended ponytails, but I'll clap it up to y'all, okay? I applaud y'all. Y'all some real baddies, okay? But yeah, putting on my lip gloss, setting this face into place, because actually I did go and take pictures, which you guys will see in a little bit, and we needed this makeup to be set in stone. And baby, yes, y'all see it, I look good, and that's on what? That's on period. So your girl did not have time to actually do her nails, because y'all, I decided that last minute I wanted to go take photos. Well, not last minute, but like I waited till last minute to get myself together. So I went to the store, picked up these press-ons, and I am just about to put these press-ons on, and you know, we gonna keep it pushing. It was real cute. They was giving what needed to be gave, you know, real simple French manicure, and you know, I ain't need nothing extra, okay? This is a nice little wedding day, and I wanted to keep my nails nice and simple. I kept them short too, short and classy, because y'all, I love me some long extra nails, baby, okay? But I kept them short and classy. So yeah, y'all, I'm just putting my nails on, and I will hop back on here in a second. So here, you guys, my nails are finished, and they are giving. They look so cute. My hands was popping. I did put on my my gold wedding ring and like some cute gold jewelry, and now your girl is out to take some photos. Now let me tell y'all, it was so freaking hot this day. Like, it had to be one of the hottest days in Okinawa, like, because baby girl was burning up. I usually don't sweat, but baby girl was sweating. But let me just tell y'all, I got some bomb ass pictures. But you got to be following me on Instagram to see the pictures that I took. And if you guys want to see pictures from my sister's wedding, make sure you're following me on Instagram, and also check out her Instagram as well, because we did post on both of our pages. But yes, y'all, the picture taken was a success, and I just look good. So definitely stay tuned until the end of the video. So if you guys made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I appreciate all of your support. I hope that you guys gave this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if your girl slayed this look, and would you rock this look to a wedding? Because baby, it is definitely giving, you know, wedding vibes. This is giving slay. It's giving I'm that bitch. But you know, the bride's still that bitch, but I'm that bitch too, okay? Period. Y'all know I am so extra, I'm so ratchet. I was not able to get video footage of me taking photos like I wanted to, but I do have pictures, and I have some clips of, you know, my dress, so you guys can see it in detail. I do have the dress on right now, because, you know, filming. But I was not able to get photos. Hold on, y'all, my hair is stuck on my eyelash. Okay, I was not able to get photos because it was extremely hot outside, and I was filming on my phone, and my iPhone kept saying overheating. So yeah, and also I had Lex take my photos for me because it just would have got done faster, and you know, it, like I said, it was hot outside, y'all, and anyway, got time for all that, okay? But here we are now, and I just want to give a huge congratulations to my sister Jonte. That was the point of this video, just to show you guys me getting ready for her wedding, because this pandemic really put a freaking stop to a lot of things. As you guys know, people's lives got put on hold, people's businesses got stopped, and you know, weddings last year and the year of the pandemic, it just, baby, it was a hot mess, okay? So for me, I was not able to travel to the States to attend my sister's wedding, so I was just like, well, what else can I do to, you know, really just, you know, just be there? And I was like, we still gonna get glammed, we still gonna do all of that, because I already purchased my shoes, I already had purchased my dress, because I had plans on attending and being by her side, because you guys, I was the maid of honor. Get into it, okay? Cheers to that, baby. And I look good, honey. It's gonna be looking good standing next to my sis. But yeah, so the pandemic just really put a hold on me and my husband traveling to attend the wedding. So I was just like, we still gonna be there, okay? We're gonna be there virtually, because I sure enough will be on FaceTime, like, what up? I'm here, okay? But I just really wanted to, you know, show you guys what I would have looked like, because baby, I look good, okay? Get into it. But I just want to give a congratulations to my sister, because wow, I've really watched you grow up, y'all. Like, it's so crazy. It's so crazy. It's I don't even, like, it's like talking now, like I had so much stuff to say, and it's just now actually talking about it, I'm like, but I would have been like this too in person. I would have froze up, and I would probably would have said a sentence. So I guess I'm a little bit more comfortable in front of my camera. But anyways, y'all, I met Jonte, what was it? It was my sophomore year, it was her freshman year. We were in this program called Upward Bound together, and baby, Jonte, we laugh about it now, we always joke about it, but Jonte was so weird to me, and y'all, I did not like her, because like, baby girl used to just stare. Like, Jonte is that type of person that would just stare at you, because she doesn't say anything first, she just stares. And to me, that was very intimidating, and I was a hothead, and I was just very extra, and I was very loud. And like, I was just like, yo, I don't like her. Like, why she staring at me? Like, she had an eye problem. Like, you know, what's good? Like, you want to throw the hands? Like, what up, ma? Like, it was just so crazy, like, how we met. But we ended up joining a junior sorority together. And just from there, that's been my dog, y'all. Like, that's, like, friends by choice, sorors by fate, and sisters for life. Like, we just been stuck since then. And it's like, there can be period of times where we don't talk at all, but when we do talk, it's just nothing but good vibes. And I feel like that's what I consider to be a good friend. Like, I don't have to talk to my friend every single day, and if I don't talk to you, you got an attitude or anything like that. Like, you know, life happens, people go through, like, people got shit going on, you know. Anybody got time to be talking to you? Like, we not little kids. And I feel like that's what I appreciate most about her, because it's like, we can go a week without talking to each other, but then when we do talk about each other, it's nothing but good vibes, nothing but positivity, and it's just always just encouraging words, and I just appreciate that so much. And like, just even when I was at my lowest, she was there for me. And for me, that is like somebody that I really want to ride with, you know. If you can be there for me at my lowest, when, you know, I'm struggling and I just had so much going on, and you did not look at me different, like, it's just like, wow. And I think that's why, you know, we just love each other so much, and we just care for each other so much. It's just like, you know, it's just crazy. And like I said, I've watched her grow up, you guys, and it's so amazing to me just to watch the woman that she is becoming. And it's so cool. It is literally so cool. From drilling together, and it's just like, a lot. Y'all just don't know half of the stuff like we've been through, just all the good times, the laugh, the cries, the tears. And I'm just happy that you're happy. Like, y'all, this is the happiest I've ever seen my sister. Being with Reese, this is the happiest I've ever seen my sister. Like, ever. Like, y'all, when she first started talking to this girl, it was just like, you see how I'm cheesing right now? That is exactly how Jonte was. She was cheesing. She was bragging about her. But the funny thing was, at first, she was playing hard to get, okay? Reese, she definitely was playing hard to get. But you got her, so you did something right. But, yeah, she did, just the way she talked about her, the way her face lit up, the way her spirits was, it was just like, wow. Like, I was just like, oh, okay, this who you talking to. And I'm just happy that my sister is happy. Like, that's all I care about. I don't care about nothing else besides my sister being happy, and I always tell her that. And I'm just happy that she found somebody that she can spend the rest of her life with, and that she can be happy. And I really don't have nothing much else to say. That's my little speech. You know, I don't want to drag it out because, you know, ain't this the time before people start eating? Or do you already eat before the speech happened? Y'all, I have not been to like a real wedding in like a hot minute, so excuse me. But you know, I don't know if people about to eat or not. So you know, that was my little speech to Jonte. I love you, sis. And as you heard, I'm so happy that you're freaking happy. Therese, I'm happy that you make my sister happy. And I love you so much. And welcome to the family. I mean, we already talked. You said in the text, dog, you was like, you been part of the family. So you feel me? Like, I just had to say welcome. No, like it's official, you feel me? And I'm happy. I'm so happy for you guys. And thank you for, you know, letting me be part of your bridal party. It's lit when I get home, okay? It's lit when I touch the States. Like the moment, not the exact moment I touch down the States, but you know, you gotta give me a little bit of time to settle in. So, you know, give me like a little month. But it's lit when we link up, okay? So, yeah, congratulations to you two. I love y'all so much, and wishing you guys a happy marriage. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's upload. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give your girl a huge subscribe down below. Also, smash that like button so your girl can, you know, other people can see this video. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
They say a drunk mind speaks sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes. Instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on